Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plan in my Hobonichi weekly pages for the month of not this one, but this one, March 25th through the 31st, and we will be using the kit Spring. That's it, just Spring. It's a single word title. That is strange for me. I usually have very long titles, like Paint My Love collection. Check that out in my shop, paperjoyph. And if you'd like to see how my page will look like after I use the stickers and use pens, etc., make sure to stay until the end of the video. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and show you the kit first. And this is what it looks like. So this is the day cover. And then you also have your strip sticker, which can be decorative as well. Scratch that. This is completely decorative. I don't really know why I said that. And then we also have your checklists. We have dots right up here. We have 3 header stickers and 2 giant decos. You also get a second page, which is the bottom bars. This is the left, and the right you have your script stickers and you have your teardrops. For this kit, this comes in 2 options. This is option A, and then let me go ahead and show you option B. So this is for option B. It's still in its cello because I want to film, but I want to put it up in my IG stories. And so let's get to work with this kit. The paper I'm using is glossy cream. So this is our fountain pen friendly paper finish. We have 2 paper finishes right now. If you remember, in my other videos I had been using the 3rd paper option, which is the photo white, but we are no longer producing photo white at the moment, so that we can streamline production better and make things faster. So here I'm just putting down my foundation stickers, which is usually or rather not usually, but is always the day cover and the decorative strip, the bottom bars, and the last one is this checklist. So right now I am putting the checklist right next to the day covers, because what I have been doing in the past, so let me flip to a random page. Is that okay? Like for here, I'll link the plan with me for this one down below. And this has the strip sticker or the checklist on this side of the page. However, I've been doing that for like 2 months, almost 2 months, and it's just bulking up this side of the planner. So instead of just putting this here, I've decided to put it on here because that'll just balance things out in the end. So maybe after 2 months I will switch back to putting the checklist here. So that is the reason why I put the checklist here. But basically I just divide this side into 2 areas, one for the checklist and one for just plain paper, so I can write down my to-dos here and all the events that are happening over here. I'm losing my voice. Okay, it's very early in the morning. No, not really early in the morning, it's just that I've just woken up like 30 minutes ago, which is how I balance out my day, how I plan my day, work immediately. So I'm taking the bottom bar. This is the left bottom bar, and it's gonna go down over here. And then I'm going to take the right bottom bar, but instead of putting it down here, I'm going to put it up here, because that is what I did the last time and I really loved it. And this is what it looks like now. It's so pretty. So spring is a very green kit. I am feeling a lot of green right now because the last few times has been pastel. So for this gray one, so I wanted something green. It's still pastel leaning. However, I haven't used pastel green in a while, so this is gonna be like a breath of fresh air. So for here, I am going to actually pull one of my washi. I am unprepared. So I've picked this washi, this one. Or maybe I should do this one at the bottom. Let's see. This is from the Happy Planner, the Create 365 washi. There we go. It cuts off though, so that doesn't look nice. Maybe let's try the one at the top. This says happiness. And I guess it all says happiness, so that's fine. Oh, okay. So let me take my scissors. My usual scissors. Just nip it off here. And the good thing about the washi I picked is that it fits exactly that space. I think I'm gonna cut this off so that I can use this little one because it is the end of the month and I want to see the date just to remind me that, oh, it's gonna be April soon. What is happening? Now also, I'm being very rough right now. I shouldn't actually be doing this because this paper is a very delicate. Alright, so I've flattened it out as much as I can. Let me scoot you on up. Just a tiny bit. And that is what we have. I should have been more prepared, but I'm like, not. Okay, so I do have a lot of stickers here that are left. And what we're going to do is I am going to line this up like I usually do. I didn't do that last time and I missed it, so I bought this new pen. It's the Lip Plume from Marvy. You remember I loved Marvy? Where's my Marvy pen? I don't have it on my table right now. Hang on. So this is my favorite pen for Marvy Uchida for Drawing 0.1. It was in my box of pens that I usually carry around the house. And this is the Lip Plume. So the Lip Plume comes with a brush at one end. This is a very, very soft brush. If you are a beginner at calligraphy, you may have a hard time with this. And then this is just a regular felt tip. I think this is number 1 black. I don't know if that's the tip. So I'm just going to take my trusty ruler, which is not here. Also, where are all my stuff? Okay, and I'm just going to line this up. So here we go, all lined up and all pretty. And now what we're going to do is we are going to focus on this side. So I got this from Daiso. It is an imitation mile liner and I want to, why do I keep doing that? Sorry about that. And I want to just line this up. I could have done it better, but I didn't. And I'm gonna take a tissue. I'm gonna take a tissue and just dab the ends. And then I'm going to take today. Could have done that better, but it looks good. And then I'm also going to take weekend. But instead I'm going to put it here on the side instead of across. I've been doing that a lot lately and I have been loving it. And then I'm going to take spring, the decorative sticker, and I want to just finish off this little area. Spring, and then I'm going to take my gold sticker and put it down here. I was going to put it at the bottom, but then I think that it's better to have it here so I can see it. And then I have a lot of stuff left, so I'm going to use it on the other side. So I have this sticker, but I also want to use a girl sticker from one of the local artists here, and I think she matches. I guess I will get rid of that. Well, I mean, I'm no longer going to use that, and I'll just cut her off. Yeah, that's cute. I want to use the calendar, but form over function. Who will win? Here we go. I will link the shop that sold this to me. It was a, what is that? A bazaar? No, like a fair, an artist fair. It's called StickerCon. So it's like a conference of sticker makers. Well, mostly artists, hand-drawn artists. Okay, so for here, I want to do track. What did I do last time? So this is what I did last time, and I love it so much. I do have littles, etc. Okay, I have grateful thoughts. I have track at the bottom. I want to do track the entire way. Why? Why do I need to do that? I'm lining it very badly again. Please don't mind that. So I have track now. This plan with me is all over the place, and I'm very sorry. There we go. I have track now, and then I want to have notes and littles. I still want for littles to have more space. Wow, that is the best thing I have ever done. I mean, the best time I have lined ever. I don't have a little script sticker, but I think I'm going to have that sometime soon because I have been using, so let me go ahead and dab that. I have been using littles a lot, notes. And then I'll just write down littles over there. Actually, no, I will not write it down. I will use my header sticker because sometimes it's not going to be littles, sometimes it will be something else, like packing list or itinerary, something like that. That's why I did not initially thought of doing the little script sticker, but maybe now is the time to do that. So I'm just going to put this here over the middle of them. And then we're almost done. And then I'm just going to take another header sticker. And then I'm going to put it on. Okay, fine. I will write down the dates first. So I have my Coeco. Notice I have a clip. Apparently you can buy the clip by itself, and that is what I did. I bought it yesterday when we were in Scribe. If you are from the Philippines, you can get it from Scribe. That's also where I got my pen. So I want to do something here. I have been, this is design day. Something going on Thursday. Here we go. And then I have a few dot stickers which I will dot all over the place. This is more functional. I thought I was gonna do it like decoratively, but I think functional ones are better for this spread. I'm just gonna put 1 dot per day. So the glossy, if you noticed, I use a fountain pen on my stickers because my stickers are very, very fountain pen friendly because they were designed, well, this paper was chosen, resourced, or sourced to be used for fountain pens. We wanted to have a very fountain pen friendly paper. Nothing will feather, ever. No pen, any ink, nothing will feather. And that is how it was designed. Oh, I still have 3. Oh, I still have these. I think I'll just put it on the days because I don't really write down on my on camera when I do my plan with me's. Also, the glossy cream paper is very, very thin, and we made it that way. I mean, that's why we picked it also, because it's very thin, and very thin sticker paper is what we need since the Hobonichi paper is also very thin. I do not recommend using very thick paper on here because it will really bulk up your planner and in not a very cool way. It's gonna bulk it up like really, really quickly. This is what I use, the Coeco Mint Blue, and these are my empties. So this is the first page and the second page, and I also use this sticker and a Happy Planners washi. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this out off camera, and if you want to see what it'll look like after all the pen and after the week had passed, make sure to follow me on Instagram. That is paperjoyph. And you can also visit our Facebook page, which is paperjoyph as well. And if you would like, you can also join our Facebook group, which is paperjoyph Planning World. I also give out very exclusive codes on my Facebook group. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want anything that I have shown you, make sure to visit paperjoyph.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!